13.8 billion years ago, there was absolutely nothing. No time, no space, no matter. Then, in the blink of an eye, we had everything. But how did over 100 billion galaxies and trillions of stars come from nothing? This question has puzzled us for decades, but these theories might hold the answers to everything. Theory number 1. Quantum fluctuations. Imagine space itself as a vast, empty canvas. In the quantum world, even this seemingly empty space is never truly still. Particles appear and disappear randomly, seemingly out of nowhere. These are quantum fluctuations, which refer to tiny, random disturbances that happen in a vacuum. This idea sounds crazy and challenges our understanding of what nothing is. What if the entire universe originated from one of these tiny fluctuations? A fluctuation in the fabric of nothingness could have caused a ripple in space-time, leading to the creation of matter and immense energy from pure nothing that eventually led into the Big Bang. What does this mean for our universe? It might have started as a quantum fluctuation, so small it's almost unimaginable. Yet from this tiny disturbance, everything we know today came into existence. All of the galaxies, stars, planets, and even time itself might have come from this one tiny fluctuation. Interesting, right? Now, what if the universe was in an infinite cycle? Let's talk about that in our next theory. Theory number 2. The cyclic universe. What if the universe is just in a never-ending cycle of creation, destruction, and rebirth that lasted billions of years? This theory suggests that the universe doesn't just have a single beginning and end. Instead, it undergoes an endless cycle of creation, destruction, and rebirth. A Big Bang happens several times and the universe expands, grows cold and empty, and then contracts back into a singularity before starting all over again with a new Big Bang. This process could have been happening for eternity and we somehow never knew about it, meaning that we are currently in one of these cycles, not knowing if it will restart in a million, a billion, or a trillion years. This theory suggests that a previous universe collapsed in on itself, creating a singularity with temperatures exceeding 10 to the power of 32 Kelvin, hotter than anything we can imagine, and then another Big Bang occurring which formed our universe. This theory may sound absurd, but it is backed by science, as scientists predict in 10 to the power of 100 years all black holes will disintegrate, where the destruction phase begins and the next cycle starts. Theory number 3. The holographic universe. Now imagine a 3D image that looks three-dimensional in all shape and form, but is actually two-dimensional in all shape and form. But here is where things get strange. According to the holographic theory, everything in the universe, all the stars, planets, and even our own bodies, could be projections from data encoded on a 2D surface, possibly near a black hole or at the edge of the universe itself. The scale of this is vastly beyond what we know. Just 100 particles can exist in 10 to the power of 80 possible states and combinations, more than the total number of atoms in the observable universe. This gives a glimpse of the colossal amount of information needed to project our reality. You may think it's crazy, but this could be the case. Black holes are the backbone to our evidence that the universe is holographic. For instance, the information about a black hole's contents can be encoded on its surface, similar to how data is stored on a computer chip. If this is true, space-time itself might be an illusion, a projection made possible by a distant, encoded surface. If this theory holds, it would mean that everything we see, touch, and experience might be an illusion. Our entire reality could be nothing more than a massive, intricate projection of data. In fact, studies on black holes suggest that all the information within them can be stored on their 2D surface, meaning a black hole with the mass of our sun would only need about 10 to the power of 77 bits of information to encode everything inside it. Could the universe really be nothing more than a hologram? It's a question that challenges everything we think we know about existence. But we're definitely not done. Theory number 4. Quantum creation. What if the universe emerged from just nothing? What if it just appeared from nothing? This is the basis of the quantum creation theory, where the universe emerged spontaneously from a quantum fluctuation, a random disturbance in the vacuum of nothingness, never knowing why it actually occurred. In simple terms, the universe could have appeared out of pure nothingness, with no cause, no creator, and no reason. It's as if the universe appeared by chance, as if the universe was just the product of a random fluctuation in a sea of nothingness. And yet, despite this randomness, the laws of physics that govern the universe are perfectly ordered. This idea challenges our understanding of what nothing is. It suggests that the universe didn't need any cause or beginning. It might have just appeared, and the orderly way in which it functions could be the result of the probabilistic nature of quantum physics. Some scientists argue that the very idea of nothing might not even make sense in quantum mechanics. If quantum fluctuations can create particles and energy out of nothing, could the entire universe have been created this way? So, whether the universe is a hologram, an eternal cycle, or something even more mind-bending, the truth is out there waiting to be uncovered. But don't just let these ideas stay as theories. Take action. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and join us as we dive deeper into the mysteries that could change everything we know. You've got the chance to be part of something bigger than yourself, because your journey to discovery starts now. Keep questioning, keep learning, and most importantly, never stop pursuing greatness. The universe won't wait, so neither should you. See you in the next one.